For those of you who are filing returns on WhatsApp through the Shuru chatbot or the KRA service app, or for whatever reasons you lost your KRA Acknowledgement Receipt for a certain year, then this tutorial is for you. You can retrieve the original Acknowledgement Receipt but only through the iTax portal, and I'll show you how. I am currently in my iTax portal. So basically what you do is go to this link called Useful Links. Then need to move down to where you will see Consult and Reprint Acknowledgement Receipt and Certificates. Tap on it. It will take you to this page. Let's say you filed nil returns for a certain year, just like me. I want to download the acknowledgement receipt, the original one again. So here, the details on this section will be pre-filled already. So the only thing that you need to do is go to this consult criteria and then select the business process, and then I'll select taxpayer return processing. Okay, select that. Business subtype is original return filing here, and then on the obligation name you need to go with the ITR. You need to scroll down, the option is down, this one, resident individual. Now if you don't remember the acknowledgement receipt, you can leave it as blank and then select the year here. Maybe I want to consult for 2022. You navigate through this double icon to a specific year, and then I go to a specific month. I'll go to January, date 1, and then tax period 2, I'll go to December 31st. Go to the specific year 2022, and then move to the month through this single icon, and then select the 31st, and then you can tap on the consult button. It will ask you to okay, and you can see the acknowledgement receipt is here, has been listed here on the output section. If you want to view it or download it again, you just need to tap on this link here, the acknowledgement number. It will come as a link. Tap on it and it will download the receipt. Okay. And if for whatever reasons you can't get any output here, you're supposed to go to the returns here. So I don't want to close this page. I want to duplicate it so that I can show you what I'm talking about. Duplicate, refresh. Yes, go to the returns, and then you need to tap on the view filed returns. Select the type of returns. Maybe it's original. You need to select the original, and then go to the tax obligation, and then select your tax obligation here. For mine is ITRE, income tax resident individual, and then for the entity type it will be disabled for whatever reasons. But now as for the return period, you need to select the year, and it should be January. I'll go to maybe 2022, go to January on the 1st, and then return period 2, I'll go back to 2022, and then go to December on the 31st. If I select that and consult, it should bring me some output, and you can see here. Let's say the only thing that is missing is the acknowledgement number. Okay, you're supposed to come here and copy it, this one, and copy it, and go back to the page where you should get the original receipt, and then input that KRA unique number, Control V, and you can try to consult again. Let's see if it brings the results. You can see it has brought the results. So you can try different methods to try get the original receipt. This is the only place that you can get the original receipt. If I decide to go with this one, this new view filed returns, it will bring me some funny receipt. However, you can still use it, but it's not original. Now to view it, you can tap on this view link, tap on it, and it will bring you such things, personal identification number, and all that. You can decide to print this one, although it won't look very good or appealing or original. And that's the advantage of using the view filed returns as compared to this useful link and consult reprint. I hope that helps. And guys, tell me which tutorial that I should do next, and let me know in the comment section below. Be productive and see you on the next one.